In this video, I will show you step by step how to turn off autofill on Google Chrome. So make sure to watch this full video to learn how to stop Chrome from automatically filling in safe details like passwords, addresses, and payment information. Before we get started, if this video does help you out today, then make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser and make sure you're logged into the Google account that you want to turn off autofill for. Once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome and click onto the three dots to open this menu. From here, what you want to do is come down to settings, give that a click, and once you're in your settings, you want to come over to the left hand side and click onto the autofill and passwords option. Now from here, you're going to see if you scroll down some different autofill options, for example payments, contact info, identity docs, and travel. So you can go into any of these to turn autofill off. For example, if we wanted to do addresses, I would click onto contact info, and at the top you can see there's an option which says save and fill addresses. So this includes information like phone numbers, email addresses, and shipping addresses. All you need to do is simply turn the switch off for this option, and that's going to turn off autofill for addresses. You can just repeat this for any of the available autofill options. For example, payment methods, if we give that a click, you can see there's also an option in here to save and fill payment methods, in which case you would just again simply turn the switch off. So that is how to turn off autofill on Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.